In the ever-evolving world of technology, there's a quiet revolution taking place on our wrists. Smartwatches, once humble timekeepers, have transformed into powerful tools, intricately woven into the fabric of our daily lives. And at the heart of this transformation lies artificial intelligence. Today, we delve into the fascinating journey of how AI is redefining smartwatch functionality, making these devices both intelligent and indispensable. To appreciate the present, let's take a step back and consider the past. Not too long ago, watches were simply for telling time. Even with the advent of early digital watches, their function was limited to displaying numbers on a screen. Fast forward to the dawn of the 21st century, where the integration of microprocessors introduced us to the age of smartwatches. But it was artificial intelligence that added a truly intelligent heartbeat to these devices. AI in smartwatches is more than just about convenience. It's about creating a personalized experience for every user. Imagine a morning routine where your watch analyzes your sleep data and tailors your wake-up time to ensure optimal rest. Not only that, but it provides a summary of your recovery, enabling you to gear up for the day ahead. With AI, every touchpoint on your watch becomes smarter, more intuitive. AI's role extends beyond personal health and lifestyle adjustments. Consider navigation, a feature often overlooked but vital in today's fast-paced world. With AI, smartwatches can optimize routes in real time, accounting for traffic conditions, weather patterns, and even your travel tendencies. You're not just guided from point A to point B, but rather on the best trajectory your day deserves. Moreover, AI helps in bridging connectivities. It seamlessly integrates with our smartphones and other smart devices, creating a network that learns from our habits, adapting to our unique patterns of behavior. Your smartwatch can now suggest playlists based on the time of day, or recommend staying hydrated if it predicts a demanding schedule. This level of interconnectivity enriches our lives, offering not just data, but meaningful insight and foresight. However, as AI's capabilities grow, they bring to light important discussions about privacy. With greater data collection, ensuring user privacy becomes paramount. The challenge lies in harnessing AI's potential without compromising on personal data security. Many smartwatch manufacturers are addressing this with advanced encryption and transparent data policies, highlighting a commitment to user trust. So what does the future hold for AI in smartwatches? As AI models become more sophisticated, their capacity to anticipate needs, manage health, and provide support will grow exponentially. Picture a watch that not only alerts you to incoming messages, but also senses mood changes through subtle cues like skin temperature and heart rate, offering mindfulness exercises proactively. This is not just technology, it's an intelligent companion. In conclusion, as we wear these evolving devices, we are participants in a fascinating journey, where the fusion of AI and smartwatches continually redefines the notion of timekeeping, expanding it to life-enhancing. It's a journey that encourages us to ponder not just what time it is, but how effectively we can use each moment, guided by the silent yet profound intelligence encircling our wrists. As smartwatches continue to evolve with AI, they promise a future where time itself is interpreted, adjusted, and ultimately enriched.